Hi guys, Assalamualaikum. Today I like to sing Set Fire to the Rain by Adele. And actually, saya nak ambil kesempatan ni nak mengucapkan terima kasih pada ABP for inviting me to Kuantan. And actually sekarang ni Syah on the way balik from Kuantan to KL. So all Shilalas, this is for you. Okay, so hopefully you guys gonna like it. Just sing along if you guys want to. Alright, I'm gonna try my very best not to cover my face with my hair. I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips, and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say they were never true in the games you played. You would always win, but I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Let it burn while I cry, 'cause I heard that it's screaming out your name. When I lay with you, I could stand there, close my eyes, did you hear? Forever, you and me together, nothing is better. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say they were never true in the games you played. You would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Let it burn while I cry, 'cause I heard that it's screaming out your name. Your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. Well, I felt something die, 'cause I knew that was the last time. Sometimes I wake up by the door, that heart to heart must be waiting for you. Even now we are already over, I can't help myself from looking for you. I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Let it burn while I cry, 'cause I heard that it's screaming out your name. Your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. Well, it felt something died, 'cause I knew that was the last time.